Morning students, I hope you all are understanding all the paragraphs in a very well manner. So students, in today's video we will be discussing the question answers because yesterday we have finished all the paragraphs explanation and nobody is asking me any queries, so it means you are understanding or you are not watching. That shows this. If you are watching and understanding, so very good. If you are not watching, then you will be the sufferer, because the PA marks will be added, which is going to happen in the next month in your exams or in your result. It will be added, so don't take the things very lightly. Student, this is the only thing which we can do in the lockdown and the only help which we teachers can provide you. But to watch video and to understand, you have to help yourself by watching the videos regularly, continuously, in the same at the same way as we are uploading for you. Clear students? So have a look in a very sincere and nice manner and try to understand the things which we are having. Let's start the today's session. Today's session is the discussion on the question answers which are given in the books only. First we will be discussing with the books also. First of all, let's have a look. If you are having the books, so that's very good. If you don't have books, so please note down the question answers and try to reread this, see or have a look this section again, whatever is there. Question number 1 we will start with. How old are Margie and Tommy? That you will search yourself the answer that was given in the book also. We will discuss only those questions which is to be discussed. These questions you should help yourself. In this manner, at least you will look once again to your chapter. And these two answers we have discussed during explanation. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie write in her diary about the book which Tommy has found. Next is, had Margie ever seen a book before? No, she hasn't seen. That is why she is telling regularly that is it a book, because first time she has seen that book. What things about the book did she find strange? The words which were moving, the words were not moving, the books were still, and it was a paper book, so that was also strange thing which she found. What do you think a telebook is? Tele means which is of television book, or ebook like ebook, internet book, that is also ebook, telebook. So that book is simply, that is not written on paper, that has been stored in the document in your phone or in your laptops or whatsoever. You open and read it. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? So students, did you remember Margie's school? This question also you will understand yourself. If you will not find, then ask me, I'll answer you. And did she have any classmate? That also you will search yourself. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Subject, generally, when we left the question completed, that time she was studying arithmetics. Her problem was with geography teacher. Tommy's history teacher was get absent. So history, maths, geography, these were the chapters. Answer the following with reference to the story. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy. It here stand for book. And what is it bring compared with by the speaker? So it compared with their present book, ebook. That has been compared. Means the real book and the ebook is compared together. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. So speaker, who does they refer to? They refer to here the old people, those who have a proper school. What does regular mean here? Regular means here mechanical teacher, as they have the mechanical teacher, so they have the regular one. What is it contrasted with? They have a contrast, like, because they have the machine teacher and no, they have a human teacher, and Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. So it was a contrast. Okay, answer each of the following question in a short paragraph. 30 words answers are there. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Machine teachers. They come on television screen, giving them homework, asking them homework, teaching them, and then going away. Why did Margie's mother sent for the county inspector. Why did Margie's mother called county inspector? Because her part of geography part, mechanical part is not working because it has geared up for more than her age, and then it had slowed down. What did he do? Same which I told you right now. He had geared it down, slow it down, because it already moved forward. Why was Margie doing badly at geography? Due to that, because it has been geared up above her age. What did the county inspector do to help her? Slowed down. Same answer it is. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? History teacher got upset, almost shut it down. So it went for 1 month, at least it took 1 month to repair. So that happened. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, she's having regular. Her mother used to send her because according to her mother, little by little she should understand regularly in a proper timetable way. Then only she can understand the things proper manner. Okay. Next is, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? He here stand for Tommy. How did Tommy describe old teachers? That they were the human beings. They used to teach all together single topic to many students of the same age. That's like. Okay, now the long answers there of 100 to 150 words. What are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? So, features of mechanical teacher and school rooms, and the school room that Margie and Tommy have in the means at you have to discuss about how they were having their future, how they were having their teachers, mechanical teacher and school. So this you will write that at that time they were having their school classroom in the house only next to their bedroom, and as per the what's there, school room and Margie. School room are next to them, next to their bedroom, and their teacher is mechanical teacher. This you will be discussing there, where they are getting homework and all that. They send, they have to, there is a particular timing, and the parents are telling them to sit in that particular room where they were having their mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher is speaking. They were listening, following on screen. The things are there also, what has been done. This they were doing, and in that slot they were offering the homework also, which they have done of the previous day. That's happening. Why did Margie hate school? And why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Why did she hate? Because she don't like to do homework every day, or without missing every day she has to sit with the mechanical teacher, and homework she has to put on, and she was not getting good marks also in the geography lesson due to the geared up. But and she don't like this at all. She hated all. But when she heard about the previous school, she found it far better. Why? Because she found far better, because she thought that how fun it would be that they can gossip together while teacher is teaching. After teaching, they can have proper gossiping, and they can have proper a good mood of talking. And if they are not getting themselves, so others are helping them to do the homework and all that. So that was good thing. How good it is sharing the lunch also, playing together, coming together, going together. Teacher, human being in front of them, a different place they will be going. At present they were going in the same house only, to the just next room as a school. So that can't have that much fun as the people would be having when she was thinking about. Okay, do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? This is your personal answer. You have to think yourself. According to her, what did she think? Either today's schools are fun of her days, or nowadays which we are having. Accordingly, you people answer yourself, that when we were teaching you physically in the class, reaching in class and teaching you, and calling you one by one to explain, or making you explain the things over there, or these online classes are more helpful. This you will write in your own words the answer. Clear? I hope so you would have understand. Students, till PA we have completed all the videos of all the syllabus. As per tenses are concerned, if you have any queries regarding tenses, you ask, then I'll let you know in the groups. Otherwise things are clear, and chapters or both the poems are completed. Do the practice. From tomorrow I'll give you some practice questions only instead of videos. So hope so you would enjoy a lot, and try to understand the importance of these online videos and have a look accordingly. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home.